Hello, this is Gary at Jack Raven Bushcraft. Thank you for watching our video. This week I'm going to show you how to make a sawhorse. So I'm going to use some pre-treated spruce to make my sawhorse. This is 2.4 meters long, 3x2 diameter. So the first thing I'm going to do is mark up 3 lengths of this. So I'm going to cut them in half and go from there. What I'm going to do now is drill some holes through these pieces of wood that I've just cut. So I'm going to measure down 30 centimeters. Right, so my square here to find the halfway point on that. It is 75 to 37 and a half. Right, so that's where I'm going to drill my hole. So I'm going to do that on another 5 pieces of wood now. I've marked out my holes. Now I'm going to drill them out. One, two, three, 4, 5 and 6. Next I'm going to use this 120mm long 8mm coach bolt and fasten 2 of these pieces of timber together. So I've now got 3 pairs of legs for my sawhorse. Next up, I'm going to measure down 12 centimeters from the end of one of my remaining pieces of wood. Mark it up, and then I'm going to put a couple of marks, so 25mm from either end, like so. And now what I'm going to do is, using an impact driver, I'm just going to pop a screw in here. So not right the way through, but most of the way, like so. Now I'm going to measure down 42 centimeters, like so, and again put a square line along here, and then the side, So, and again I'm going to measure down 25mm here and another. So, and again with an impact driver, I'm just going to pop a screw in here most of the way through. I'm going to screw this length of timber to the underside of the cross here. Right, so, and now I'm just going to repeat that with another on the other end, I would say. Right, so now I'm going to screw in the middle of my 3 legs. Right, so I've now got 3 legs attached. As you can see, the legs are not particularly straight at the moment. That's why I only put 1 screw in initially. So what I can do now is level this up, line it all up, and then put a 2nd screw in there to make sure that it's all square. So next I'm going to do exactly the same thing, but on this side of my sawhorse. So I've just put 1 screw in each of these joins on this side for the time being. I just want to measure the bottom of the legs to make sure that they're the same distance on either side. So this side, just the further side away from me, the legs at the bottom are 1 metre apart. At this side they are 99, so I just need to give it a little tap. That's it, that's at 100. So I'll now put in my 2nd set of screws. Just to kind of get that nice and flat. So. And last one. So what I'm going to do next is, with another length of wood, I'm just going to screw it onto each of the legs here to make sure that it isn't able to either splay in or to splay back out again. I'm going to measure down 50 centimeters here. That's where the top of my piece of wood is going to go. And then I'll measure down 50 centimeters the other end and do the same thing. And what I'll do now is put a 2nd screw in here, a couple of screws in the middle leg, and then we're almost done. So that's our sawhorse finished. Just need to go and put it to use now. I hope that's something you found useful. Maybe not something to take on your everyday bushcraft trip, but something to consider in a semi-permanent or permanent location. I will endeavour to get some more content out next week. You can make sure you don't miss out on that by subscribing either to our YouTube channel or to our blog, either of which are Jack Raven Bushcraft. In the meantime, take care.